Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to send Microsoft Word file and WhatsApp using your computer. First, you have to save your Word document. Click on File and here click on Save or Save As to save your document. Then select where you want to save your Word document. And then click on Save. Now you have two options. The first one is to go to your web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. And here you can follow these steps to connect or to link your devices. Or you can also link your WhatsApp with your phone number. And you can also here watch this tutorial to help you link your devices. And once you're connected, you can send your Microsoft Word file and WhatsApp. Or you can go to the WhatsApp app in your computer, open the conversation where you want to send the file, then click on this icon here, select document, then select your document and click on open. Here you can add a caption, it's optional. Or you can go to your file explorer or the destination where you saved your document, then drag it to the WhatsApp app and drop it there. Then click on this icon to send the file. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.